Like, oh my gosh, it was so funny.
Oh look, it's starting! Hello and welcome to today's kitchen challenge! What a wonderful audience! I hope you're ready for some fun!
Oh!
Pick me! I want that money! Who should I choose? It's a tough decision. How about you? Huh? Me? And how could I resist this beautiful lady?
What?
You know what time it is. Let the games begin!
Where did he go? Huh? What happened?
Don't look at me.
How long will this take? It's almost nap time.
Hey, how can she fall asleep like that? The game's about to start. Whatever. It's time for round 1.
Where am I? Aw, I had the best dream. I was knitting. What is it? What's so funny? That's it! I'll show you! I just need to get a few things first.
What are you doing, Granny?
You'll soon find out. Just you wait. Where is it? Ah, my flour. I'll need this.
You just carry that around?
You'll never know when you need to bake a cake. I just need one more thing. Sorry. It was an accident. It's time to crank up the heat. Oh, that's looking good. Oh, I almost forgot. She can go right here.
What? What just happened? Wow.
I'm not finished. I'll press this ring into the cake. That will form a barrier. Then I can drizzle over chocolate sauce. I could eat it all. Chocolate is my favorite. That should be enough. Next I need sprinkles. No cake is complete without them. They can go on top of the chocolate sauce. Now for the fun part. I'll lift off the ring. It's like a sweet avalanche. And now she's wearing a dress.
My mind is blown! What is going on?
Not bad for an old lady, huh?
How am I gonna compete with that? I better do something. I'm glad Mom packed my lunch. I can use this tomato. Check it out! These hands are dangerous! Now where's my syringe?
What the? Stay back!
Relax, Granny. Watch this. I'll remove the top.
I'm so confused. But I'm watching you.
Be cool. I don't want any trouble. I'll press the syringe into the bread. Then into the other ingredients. Just like this. It cuts out the perfect circle. Now I'll insert a cocktail stick. I want it to go through each layer. Then I'll push the plunger to get them out. These look tasty.
They really do. I mean, it's okay if you like tiny sandwiches.
What do you think? This is my favorite part. I'll start with the cake. I'm looking forward to this. It's so light and fluffy. It's stunning.
Ah, thank you, dear.
What about mine? Interesting. It's a flavor sensation. You win! Did you hear that? Woohoo!
Go Liam!
Oh, sorry. We're ready for round 2. We guessed that.
What should I do this time?
Oh, I know. I need to make a quick call. Hello? I need your help.
So it's like that, huh? Wait, I only call Liam.
Great, I appreciate it. Bye. Wow, that was fast. Let's see what I've got. Eggs? Okay. It's time to fry these bad boys. Meh, they'll be a little crunchy. What's next? I'll add a splash of oil. That'll help them sizzle. I better turn the cooker on. It smells good. I'm a master in the kitchen. Hey! Careful! Quit it!
Are you okay?
It's all under control. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, looks like it. I suppose I better get started. Maybe you'll learn something. That's enough oil. Oh, I know. I could do with some moisturizer. I better be quick. I don't want it to be hot.
What are you doing, Granny?
Just my daily beauty routine. And I smell like French fries. It's time to cook. I'll break the egg into the pan. Then I need a glass. I'll place it over the egg yolk. Now I'll whisk the white. I want them to be nice and fluffy. Just like this. They're almost done. That should do it. Now I'll wait for the yolk to cook. Placing a lid over the pan will help create steam. It'll make the egg white pop up. It looks good. Yummy. I can plate it up.
Wow, she is good. My dish might taste better than it looks. Who am I kidding?
I'm glad I'm not eating that.
Gimme! 2 different approaches to cooking eggs. Do I have to eat this? I mean, look at it. I tried my best. Now this is more like it. It's amazing! You win!
It was never in doubt.
Yeah, that seems fair.